Hey guys, welcome to Pep Coding. Today we are going to learn another question of graph, and this is level up question. So pay attention, number of enclaves. So basically in this question we would be given a 2D matrix of m cross n, and what we need to do is it is a binary matrix of 0 and 1. So all the zeros here are water and all the 1 are land. So in the land cells I need to return the count of land cells from which I cannot go to the boundary of the matrix. Okay, let's discuss this here. Suppose I have a matrix 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So here are so many land cells. So, but come, let's see here. When I come to here, uh, what say this is a boundary cell, this is boundary cell, this is boundary cell, this is boundary cell, and this is boundary cell. So obviously these can't be my answers. Let me use another shade. What about this can go here, so this can't be my potential answer. This can go to this cell and then finally to my boundary. This can't be my answer. When I come here, I can go here, so this can't be an answer, it is already a boundary cell. I can go directly here to the boundary, can't be my answer. Okay, so what about these cells? This particular island is not connected to any other island and is in middle of water, and I cannot go to the boundary. Okay, so this is my answer. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 land cells. So my answer here would be 4 in this case. So let me show you that how we are going to discuss. Let me show you the approach. First of all, you can try yourself. Pause the video and try it. Okay, so let me show you the approach. I know guaranteed that all the cells which are here at the boundary are surely not my answer. I can discard them or make them 0. It hardly matters to me. So if I traverse the boundary, in the whole boundary if I travel and find the 1, and then I perform a DFS, I go to each and every cell to the depth and make it 0. So this would be 0, this would be 0, this would be 0, here also 0. I traverse here 0, traverse here 0. Finally here I traverse, this would be 0, 0, traversing 0. So I would be left with only these cells which are 1. Now if I traverse in the matrix again and count the number of 1 that are left, then I will get my answer. I hope I am quite clear here. So let's quickly code this. You can pause the video and code it yourself or see my code. Okay. So this is the function num enclave. I have been passed the matrix here. So let's see. First of all, let's make a result. That would be my answer. Then let's start a for loop. For j equal to 0, j less than array dots array I. Okay, because it can be a rectangular matrix as well. Okay. Also guys, if you get a matrix, always try to run the for loop like this only. This is generic for all square as well as rectangular matrix. Okay, so let's traverse to the boundary. So what would be my conditions? Either my I is 0 or my j is 0 or my I is equal to array dot size minus 1 or my j is equal to array I dot size minus 1. If any of these conditions is true, in that case, I can perform a function DFS which will take array and my particular location by giving ij. I'll just pass this and somehow this will convert all the non-valid answers into 0. Now I'll run another for loop. I'll traverse my matrix again, so let's copy paste it. And here change the if condition. If my array ij is equal to 1, then my result would increment and finally I would return my result. So I hope I am clear here, guys. Now let's make this function. Okay, DFS. So all I need here is my vector, let's say array int I and int j. Okay, so here what will I do? I'll check if my index is in the range, so it should be greater than equal to 0. J also should be greater than equal to 0. I must be smaller than array dot size, and j also must be smaller than array I dot size. And if it is in the range, then there's one more condition that we need to follow, that is my array ij must be equal to 1. If all of these are true, then my array ij would be equal to 0. I'll change its value, then I'll call DFS array I and j. We all know how to write a DFS function. We are not writing it for first time. We have done this in level 1 graph. So I plus 1, I minus 1, j plus 1 and j minus 1. So I hope this code runs. Some error in line number 4, void DFS vector. Forgot to put a comma. Typing error. So it is accepted and submitted. I hope, guys, I was clear. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Pep Coding.